Hello, your customers have questions. If they can't find answers quickly, they'll leave your store and buy somewhere else. A customer visits your product page with questions. They want to know about sizing, shipping, or product details. But there's no place to ask. No answers. No confidence. So they leave. Askify adds a questions and answers section directly to your Shopify product pages. Customers can ask questions and every answer helps future shoppers make faster buying decisions. Need help responding? Askify can generate AI-powered answers in different tones, helping you save time while keeping customers informed. Every question can become SEO-friendly FAQ content for Google. Plus, sync question askers directly to Klaviyo and Mailchimp to grow your email list. Build trust, improve search visibility, reduce support requests and turn product questions into more sales. Join hundreds of Shopify merchants using Askify. Start with the free plan today and unlock unlimited questions for just $1.99 per month.